so here is the finished Christmas in the Silly Village. As you can see, we did a revision to the backdrop, incorporating those construction paper silhouettes there, also using some, cotton for the clouds, and even having this plain ornament attached with, ornament hook hot glued to the backdrop there. And then also another ornament on that star. I think it adds like a fun little touch to the city backdrop. You can kind of see that we also just kind of added some additional figurines, with the highest buildings being in the background. And then on the second tier here, it has like another little shopping scene, the subway, a lot of cars and people. I've also used these little spotlights here to kind of shine on the theater building, to kind of give it a little scene that there's going to be a show tonight, little celebrities and band members. And then in this little shot here, we have a parade. And you kind of see here just more little tearing moments. Even using these little laminated cutouts, as tunnels that kind of go into the looks like it go into the platform there. Also have another one over here. And a little church, also just using, styrofoam to sit things up a little higher. Also make little steps. And then, as far as the middle portion with the skating ring, I've actually swapped out the previous tree that went with this piece with one that actually lights up a little bit better. And I'm basically just snaking the cord underneath that street behind it. Our little Times Square with the people with the balloons. Got the Polar Express here, waiting at the train station. Another thing too that I did was just incorporating these lamps. Again, just throughout the village, just to give it lots of little moments with light. And then even going down this street corridor, just a whole bunch of more little lamps for all the people who are shopping. And, even creating other little moments within the village that are not, always so visible from when you first look at it from afar. But again, when you kind of lean in and start to see what's going on, it's always nice to find little Easter eggs here and there. And then all the way over here, we got our little drive-in movie theater. Yeah, so all in all, you can kind of just see how it all came together. I think one of the finishing touches is we're going to get the skirt, kind of pinned, so it looks nice and smooth. But other than that, this one's pretty much done. We'll see, sprinkle it with all the little loose snow once we kind of get all the people, in their final configurations. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey. I've had a lot of fun with this one, and I'm looking forward to, just ways that we'll be able to improve it in the years to come. Thanks for watching.